I just found a brand new AI tool that allows you to build beautiful websites in seconds, even if you know nothing about UI, UX design, or you don't know how to code. If you're still building websites the old way, you're not only wasting your time, but you're also wasting your money. And to prove that to you, I'm going to walk you through using this brand new website builder versus some old ways of building websites to show you how much better and faster it is. Now, that brand new AI tool that I'm talking about is going to be Ready.ai because there are so many different things that you could do. For example, you could come down here and they have tons of different templates. So if you're doing a local service website, they have templates for that you could preview or you could use. If you're doing e-commerce, they have that. Restaurants, they have that. And you could even create a website from a link or from a business card. Now, for the sake of the video, what we're going to do is we're going to use this prompt right here. You're an expert web developer. I want you to build a modern, high-converting website for an AI automation agency. And what we're going to put here is I want you to implement all of the following elements. And I go through and pretty much name everything out. The hero section, 3 core services card, why choose us section, stats section, final call to action. But what you'll note is that for each of these, I have some pretty unique CSS. For example, as they scroll in the view, apply a staggered fade and then have a slide up animation. Or if we come over here, we could see that we want these to be sticky so that it remains at the top while the viewer scrolls. There are a bunch of unique things that are going to be pretty difficult for this to pull off, and I wanted to really highlight this so you could see how it works. So if we come over here, we click on this then instantly builds out what the website structure is going to be. It is exactly what I put in the prompt, and we could generate or upload a logo. For the sake of this, I'm going to go with the AI generated logo, and if we wanted to, we could regenerate it. So I have this recreating this quickly. We could see the past version right here, but we're going to go with whatever this actually generates. Now, so we're going to go with this right here. We're going to click on next. That is the logo that we're going to go with. And now this is going to go through and this is actually going to build it out. This looks awesome. The colors look great. The images look great. The text looks great. The font looks great. Looks great that these actually have a bunch of different things on them. They have images here that we could come through and customize. So all of this looks really good. We have these animations right here, which is exactly what we highlighted in the prompt, which is awesome. Then we have book our free consultation right here. So this looks great. I did want to compare this to building on WordPress. So we're going to implement the same exact prompt here. And the first problem that we run into is this is actually not letting us put this entire prompt in here. So we're going to have to actually take some stuff away, which by default just is going to make this a way worse website. So we're going to come over here. I'm just getting rid of some of these animations right here. And we could see that we have to make this a lot smaller of a prompt than we actually want to. And we could see that still we can't actually do this. So I'm going to come over here. Finally, we're able to do this. So we had to severely limit the prompt. So just by default, WordPress could not build a website that Ready is going to build. So we went over here and we asked this to do this. It says to proceed, could you please tell us what the main topic or focus of your SaaS product is? For example, what problem does your service solve? I'm going to say we are an AI automation agency looking for a website to help us get clients. So we go through and answer this question on WordPress. Finally, after getting badgered with questions here, we finally have enough information here. I'm going to say, please go ahead and create the site. And again, the main thing that I want to emphasize here is how slow WordPress is compared to Ready. We can see that this just looks a lot more dry. I mean, this doesn't look customized, doesn't really look like it has anything to do with AI automation services. And we're going to have to go through and we're going to have to fix all of this because the photos make no sense. The text makes no sense. Loved by teams, this makes no sense. And there's not even like any clear distinction between different parts of the website with WordPress over here. So like, yeah, this made us this really simple template right here, but now we have to go through, we have to actually customize everything. And we could see that we have to go through one by one. It's incredibly tedious. It's incredibly slow. And it's kind of a pain just to get something built. And this is really the old way of building websites. We're going to do the same exact thing with Wix over here. Again, pasting in this thing. So Wix actually did allow us to input the entire prompt, which is pretty good. On Wix, we have to come over here and do the same thing. I'm going to do Queen City Media Group, and we could see that this is asking a few questions here, which is helpful because it's going to help guide the way that the website's actually built. We're going to notice the same exact thing. This literally just keeps asking me endless questions right here, and it's not actually getting to building, and it's not actually going through and building anything. They're even worse. We have this template. that has absolutely nothing to do with our website. And now we have to go through and we have to actually change all these things. And we have to click on this in order to edit this website. And I'm done with Wix. In fact, I'm done with WordPress too, because these have been a complete waste of my time. Now, before we go through what each of these websites actually look like and how easy it is for you to be able to edit each of these websites now with these brand new tools, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with building your website today with Ready, because they make it easier than ever before, especially if you don't know how to code. On top of that, it's going to save you hours upon hours of both design and dev work, because as you can see from this video, it's super easy to build a website with this tool. Okay, so now when we come back over to Ready, I want to show you what it actually looks like in order to edit things here. For example, let's say that we want to make this font bigger right here. It's incredibly easy to do. We literally just come over here, we click on selector, we could come over here and we could choose and tell it right here what the changes to. So for example, let's say that we wanted to underline this. I'm just going to say underline this text. In addition to that, if we wanted to, we could talk to it. We could actually edit the code or embed code directly if we click on this right here. And if we wanted to upload an image to get it to do something, we could get it to do that here. And as we could see, we can see each different file version right here. So maybe I didn't like this change. We could actually come over here, click on delete version, or we could actually go through to what the old version actually was. In addition to that, if we come over here, we could very quickly see what this is going to look like on a mobile device versus on a computer. We could see what it looks like in full screen. We could download the code if we wanted to. We could also come over here and we could export this into Figma or into Master Go. And we haven't really even gotten into the craziest things that you can do with Ready yet, because if we come over here, you could see that you could pretty much instantly add in all these different integrations. For example, Calendly, so that you could schedule your meetings effectively. You could add in Shopify, so you could build out an e-commerce website and begin to sell things. So basically, they allow you to hook up all these different tools very easily, simply by just clicking on these, and it goes through and actually tells you how to actually connect all these different things, which is quite incredible. In addition to this, something that a lot of other vibe coding tools, especially things like Wix or WordPress, don't have, is if we come over here, we could actually be able to go through and automatically generate everything that we need for SEO, or we can manually configure it. So not only did it build the website for us, it's also optimizing it for SEO so that we could begin to rank for search, which is incredibly helpful, especially if you're doing something like creating a website for a local business. In addition to that, if we come over to this agent right here, you could see how you could choose working hours that you have. You could see all of your leads right here. You could even check all of the settings here. So you can give it a global prompt. You could come in here and you could change the language settings. You could add in FAQs so that it knows exactly how to reply to things. You could get a new appointment notification setting, which is incredibly powerful. And then once your website is fully built, fully customized, fully edited, which as you can see is incredibly easy to do here, you would just come over here and click on publish, where you can publish with this Ready URL, or if you wanted to, you could upgrade and publish on your own custom domain. And remember, custom domains are going to be better for professional websites. They're more SEO friendly and they're more easy for you to remember. So another thing that I wanted to show you is actually how to do one of these integrations that I was sharing with you earlier, and it's going to be this Ready agent right here. So literally all you have to do is click on this. You will then see that this comes over here and instantly prompts Ready. So it says add Ready agent into my project, and then we can see right here that it's already added in. It's been installed right here in this HTML file, and it goes through the current setup. It goes through that it's ready, and it also goes through how to actually maximize this. So the reason that I wanted to show you this is because I'm sure you might be confused when it comes to actually setting some of these things up, like Google Analytics or Calendly or Shopify or Stripe or Supabase, whatever the case is. These integrations are really easy to set up because Ready literally walks you through how to do each of these things. So we can now come over here, click on calendar setup, and we can see this brings us back to where we were looking before, where we can actually come over here and choose this. So personally, I like to only do meetings from, let's say 12. So we're going to do 12 to 3, which is going to be 1500. So what I can do is I can have it for whatever days that I want here. In addition to that, I can also choose how long the calendar duration is going to be. So I'm going to put here, I'm going to put 15 minutes. we could put a minimum advance booking period. So I'm actually going to put 1 day. And basically what this does is makes it so that people can only come over and they can only book things with a 1 day advance. So like if you wake up in the morning and you don't have any calls booked, you don't have to worry about calls randomly getting booked for that day. Now, if we come back over here, we're going to be able to see the other things that we can also set up here. If we click on view more, so we have the calendar set up, and we also have the agent settings. So I'm going to click into this, and we can see right here that we can change what this prompt is going to be. Now, what you want to make sure that you do is you want to make sure that you come over here and customize these common business info questions, how it should handle appointments, how to modify existing appointments, canceling appointments, and response guidelines. Because essentially what all of this is going to do right here is this is going to control how this agent actually thinks, what this agent knows, how this agent responds, and you want to make sure that you're going through and you're looking at the logs of how people are interacting with this in order to fix this. Because if new things get added into your FAQ, you want to make sure that you're adding it in here. Or if you change your practices when it comes to responding, you want to make sure that you add this in here. And what this is going to allow you to do is very, very easily set up a response agent. Because if you know anything about after you vibe code something, the next thing that's going to happen is people might have an issue, people want support, people want to ask you questions, and it's pretty amazing that this has this automatically built in right here, because is typically this would be another subscription that you have to go and sign up for. But now you don't have to do that when you have this ready agent. We can see right here, we can click on talk with us and we can either text or voice this in order to communicate, and we could see exactly how this responds. So what are you waiting for? I would strongly suggest that you begin using Ready today. This is actually one of the most advanced vibe coding tools that I have ever seen, with all these different integrations, with the SEO built in, with analytics built in, with these forms built in. This makes it incredibly easy for you to be able to very quickly go from prompt to website, literally in minutes. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through several different ways that you can help promote your new website or your new business with the help of AI avatars. If that sounds interesting, I'll see you over there.